Ever wondered how networking can truly transform your entrepreneurial journey? Today, we're diving into building bridges to success, the power of networking for entrepreneurs. Watch until the end to learn how to leverage networking to unlock new opportunities, gain valuable insights, and propel your business forward. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Millionaire Luxe Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're discussing building bridges to success, the power of networking for entrepreneurs. Networking is more than just exchanging business cards and making small talk at events. It's a powerful tool that can open doors, create opportunities, and provide invaluable support for entrepreneurs. So, why should you watch until the end? We'll explore why networking matters and share effective tips to help you build a strong and beneficial network. Let's start with why networking matters. Networking exposes you to a wealth of knowledge and expertise. By connecting with experienced entrepreneurs and industry professionals, you can gain insights, advice, and best practices that might take years to discover on your own. Access to knowledge is our first point. Networking brings you into contact with people who have a wealth of experience and knowledge. Here's how you can benefit from this. First, seek advice. Experienced entrepreneurs can provide guidance on challenges you're facing and share lessons they've learned. Next, learn best practices. By observing and talking to successful entrepreneurs, you can adopt strategies and practices that have proven effective. And finally, stay updated. Networking helps you stay informed about the latest trends, technologies, and market shifts in your industry. Our second point is resource sharing. In the world of entrepreneurship, resources are crucial. Networking can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and resource-sharing agreements that can significantly benefit your business. Resource sharing is a powerful benefit of networking. Here's how to make the most of it. First, identify potential partners. Look for businesses and individuals whose strengths complement yours. Next, collaborate. Joint ventures, co-marketing efforts, and other collaborations can expand your reach and capabilities. And finally, share resources. Whether it's sharing office space, technology, or expertise, resource sharing can reduce costs and increase efficiency. Opportunities for growth is our third point. New opportunities often arise through networking. Whether it's finding a mentor, attracting investors, or discovering a potential customer, networking broadens your horizons. Networking can open doors you didn't even know existed. Here's how to leverage these opportunities. First, find mentors. Experienced mentors can provide valuable guidance, support, and introductions. Next, attract investors. Networking events can be a great place to meet potential investors who are interested in your industry. And finally, discover customers. Networking can help you find new customers and partners who need your products or services. Now, let's move on to effective networking tips. First, be genuine. Authenticity is key. Approach networking with a genuine interest in others and a willingness to offer value. Building genuine connections is essential. Here's how to do it. First, show interest. Ask questions and listen actively to understand the other person's needs and interests. Next, be yourself. Authenticity builds trust and makes interactions more meaningful. And finally, offer value. Think about how you can help the other person, whether through advice, introductions, or resources. Quality over quantity is our next tip. It's not about how many connections you have, but the quality of those connections. Focus on building meaningful, long-term relationships. Quality connections can provide more value than a large network of superficial contacts. Here's how to focus on quality. First, prioritize relationships. Invest time in building and maintaining relationships with people who can offer mutual value. Next up, follow up. After meeting someone, follow up with a personalized message to reinforce the connection. And finally, be consistent. Regularly check in with your connections to keep the relationship active and valuable. Our third tip is follow up. Follow up with the people you've met after a networking event. A simple email or call can turn a brief interaction into a lasting connection. Following up shows that you value the connection and are serious about building a relationship. Here's how to do it effectively. First, send a personalized message. Refer to something specific from your conversation to make it more meaningful. Next, offer to meet again. Suggest a follow-up meeting or call to continue the conversation. And finally, stay in touch. Keep the connection alive by checking in periodically with updates or valuable information. Give before you get is our fourth tip. Offer assistance and support to your network. The more you give, the more you'll likely receive in return. Generosity in networking builds strong, reciprocal relationships. Here's how to adopt this mindset. First, identify ways to help. Look for opportunities to offer your expertise, resources, or connections. Next, be proactive. Don't wait for someone to ask for help. Offer it when you see a need. And finally, create win-win situations. Look for ways to create mutually beneficial outcomes. Diversify your network is our fifth tip. Don't limit yourself to one type of networking event or group. Explore various opportunities, both online and offline. A diverse network brings a wide range of perspectives and opportunities. Here's how to diversify your network. First, attend various events. Go to industry-specific events, general business meetups, and social gatherings. Next, join online groups. Participate in online forums, LinkedIn groups, and other digital communities. And finally, mix it up. Don't always go to the same type of events or talk to the same people. Expand your horizons. Now, let's delve deeper into some advanced networking strategies that can take your connections to the next level. Advanced networking strategies can significantly enhance the value of your connections, and here's how. First, become a connector. Introduce people within your network to each other. By facilitating valuable connections, you not only help others, but also increase your own value as a networker. Next, engage in deep conversations. Move beyond small talk and engage in meaningful discussions about goals, challenges, and opportunities. And finally, attend exclusive events. High-level networking events such as industry conferences and private gatherings, they all provide unique opportunities to meet influential individuals. In addition, leveraging social media can expand your networking reach exponentially. Social media networking is a powerful tool. Here's how to maximize it. First, optimize your profile. Ensure your social media profiles, especially LinkedIn, are professional and highlight your expertise and achievements. Next, join relevant groups. Participate in industry-specific groups and forums to connect with like-minded professionals. And finally, share valuable content. Post articles, insights, and updates that demonstrate your expertise and provide value to your network. Now, let's talk about the importance of maintaining your network. Maintaining your network is crucial for long-term success. Here's how to keep your connections strong. First, stay engaged. Regularly check in with your connections through calls, emails, and social media. Next, provide consistent value. Continuously offer support, share insights, and connect people within your network. And finally, be dependable. Follow through on your commitments and be reliable in your interactions. In conclusion, networking is more than just a business activity. It's a strategy for success. By building and nurturing a strong network, you can tap into a world of opportunities, insights, and support to propel your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the Millionaire Luxe Room for more insightful content. Check out our latest video for even more tips and inspiration. Together, let's build a world where effective networking leads the way to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.